Hello students, welcome back. I am Rinkesh sir, and today we will see NCERT textual example 4.1 and 4.2 of chapter number 4, that is moving charges and magnetism. Okay, so let's start with example number 4.1. A straight wire of mass 200 gram. तो मतलब मास कितना दिया है 200 ग्राम or 0.2 kg. The length 1.5. Length of the wire 1.5 meter. Carries a current of 2 ampere. Current is equal to 2 ampere. It is suspended in mid-air by a uniform horizontal magnetic field B. Okay, what is the magnitude of magnetic field? Okay, मतलब वायर दिया हुआ है ये, इसमें करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, करंट इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, तो अभी क्या होगा, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इट वुड बी डाउनवर्ड, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नीचे की तरफ लगेगा, तो ये हो गया एम जी। क्लियर। मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन कौन सी है, क्रॉस, मतलब इनसाइड द प्लेन। ओके, तो मैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का वेक्टर ड्रॉ करूंगा, इट वुड बी इनसाइड दिस प्लेन। Okay, so the force acting on the current carrying conductor F is equal to I L cross P. Okay, so ये जो रेड लाइन ड्रॉ की है दैट इज करंट एलिमेंट I और उसकी लेंथ है L. So this is the current element IL I will take. Okay, and blue color, that is the direction of magnetic field, this one. Okay, so when I use right hand thumb rule, okay, I need to rotate my fingers in this direction. Okay, I need to rotate my finger in this direction from IL towards vector B. Okay, so the force acting will be in upward direction. This will be the direction of force. Okay, this will be the situation when I'm applying right hand thumb rule. IDL in this direction, B in this direction. Rotate the finger towards this way, so the force acting will be upward. Okay, now see, the opposite force is gravitational force. Okay, नीचे का force gravitational force है, ऊपर का force magnetic force है. Clear? Okay, magnetic force के formula ILB. तो magnitude, if we take the magnitude, see here you can see IDL, it is positive x-axis, and magnetic field B negative z-axis. So this is 90 degree, right? IL ये horizontal plane में है और B अंदर जाता हुआ है, तो उसका मतलब एंगल हो गया 90 डिग्री. So magnitude of F, that will be equal to ILB sin 90. sin 90 की वैल्यू 1. ओके, क्लियर. सो ये हो गई हमारी फॉर्मूला. फोर्स के फॉर्मूला क्या आएगी, F इक्वल टू एम जी. सो एम जी डाउनवर्ड फोर्स कौन सा है, एम जी. ओके, मीन्स ये हो गया ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, और सॉरी मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स हो गया एम जी. क्लियर. नाउ सी इट इज गिवन दैट it is suspended in the mid air by uniform horizontal magnetic field. तो उसका मतलब दोनों फोर्स बैलेंस हो गए, राइट, ऊपर का फोर्स नीचे का फोर्स बैलेंस हो गए, देन ओनली इट विल बी एबल टू हैंग इन द मिड एयर. दैट मीन्स mg is equal to ILB. Clear? So the magnetic field B will be equal to mg upon IL. Okay, so let's calculate the mass that is given 0.2, gravitational acceleration 9.8, current is 2 ampere, and the length 1.5. Okay, so let's calculate. 0.2 into 9.8 divided by 2 divided by 1.5, that is equal to 0.653. So magnitude of magnetic field कितना आया 0.65 Tesla. Yes, 0.65 Tesla. This is the magnetic field. Okay. See, here we had ignored the magnetic field due to Earth. हमने यहाँ पे Earth की magnetic field को ignore किया है. The magnetic field of Earth, that is approximately 4 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. Clear? तो यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ जो करंट जा रहा है वायर में उसकी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कंसीडर की है. Okay, so this was 4.1. Just note it down. Let's move to the next, that is example 4.2. 4.2. If the magnetic field is parallel to positive y-axis and the charged particle is moving, magnetic field is parallel to positive y-axis and the charged particle is moving along positive x-axis. Which way would be the Lorentz force for A an electron and for B an proton? So see here, it is given this is taken as x-axis, upward direction that is taken as z-axis. Moving inward, this is taken as y-axis. Now the magnetic field is parallel to positive y-axis, means it is towards the y direction, positive y direction. Okay, means I can take this as the direction of magnetic field B. Okay, clear? This will be the direction of magnetic field B. Now electron and proton, let's take at present the charge. The charge is moving with velocity in this direction, it's positive x-axis. So this is the direction of velocity. Okay, now you have to find out in which direction Lorentz force would act. Now the Lorentz force is equal to the electric force plus magnetic force. Okay, the Lorentz force is equal to the electric force plus magnetic force. Now here there is no electric field, so Fe will be equal to 0. Okay, now for magnetic field, the formula is Q into V cross B. Okay, so the direction of magnetic force will be equal to the direction of Lorentz force. Now V cross B. Okay, when I take V cross B, I need to start from vector B. Okay, and using right hand thumb rule, I need to rotate my fingers towards B. Okay, so the direction of V cross B will be upward. This will be the direction of V cross B. Okay, now when I take electron, for electron Q is negative, so the direction of negative V cross B, so the Lorentz force would be downward, that means it will be in negative Z axis. Okay, and for proton, अगर हम प्रोटॉन ले लेंगे तो प्रोटॉन का चार्ज होता है पॉजिटिव. ओके, तो पॉजिटिव मतलब डायरेक्शन हो जाएगा v क्रॉस बी. इलेक्ट्रॉन में क्या हो गया v क्रॉस बी इंटू माइनस ई, मतलब माइनस साइन आ गई तो उसका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन हो गया तो नीचे आ जाएगा. ओके, लेकिन प्रोटॉन में क्यों पॉजिटिव है, मतलब v क्रॉस बी की डायरेक्शन ही लॉरेंट मैग्नेटिक फोर्स की डायरेक्शन होगी और वही डायरेक्शन लॉरेंट्स फोर्स की होगी. तो Lorentz force, the direction will be positive z axis. Clear? So this was about question number 4.2. So just note it down. Okay, students, so that's it. We saw example 4.1 and 4.2 of chapter number 4. Thank you.